friends, welcome to Sithu's Biology and Creativity. Today our topic is about one of the major spice what we are going to use in our daily life regularly, that is the garlic. Everyone will tell that the garlic is very useful for the human health, but we don't know what is the reason behind it, right? So today in this video I am going to share you the complete detailed information about the garlic and what are the benefits of behind by using this garlic. So let's watch the complete video. The garlic, it is actually one of the species of the onion. It comes from the allium plant and it is mainly used to add the flavors in the cooking, and actually it is grown around throughout the world. It is going to grow ultimate throughout the world in any cultivation purpose, and but it is also having been used as a not only in the cooking purpose, it is also going to be used as an medication throughout the ancient and also in the modern centuries, and it is also have been used by the humans for more than thousands of years. Garlic is most commonly used for certain related conditions that are nothing but the health conditions which are related to the blood system, our blood system which is going to circulate throughout our body, and also our heart. Let's see what are those conditions which are related to the blood system and the heart. That include high blood pressure. If the person is going to be suffer with the high blood pressure, then this garlic is going to be used, and if the person is going to be suffer with the high cholesterol level, then it may useful to that persons, and if the fats which are going to be present in the blood are also going to be reduced by using this garlic. So the garlic is going to be used in certain conditions which are related to the blood system and also the heart. So, and not only in the food, not only in the cooking purpose, not only as a medication, and it is mainly used in the food and the beverages industries as an fresh garlic, and means in these industries they use a fresh garlic, either they use a garlic powder, they use the garlic oil. To why these are going to be used in the food and the beverages industries means this garlic is going to add the flavor to that food. In that sake, many of the people are going to be used this garlic in the different food industries and also the beverages industry. In this way, the garlic is performing the different roles and the different functions, right? But we don't know how it is going to play that roles. What is a major compound is going to be present in this garlic? We don't know, right? So now I will say you that the garlic is having the one of the special chemical compound in it. What is that chemical? Means it is having the allicin compound. This allicin is going to play a major role in this garlic. Means I already said in the previous that the garlic is going to play a major role in certain conditions, like in the high BP, in the high blood pressure, in the high cholesterol conditions, in the if the fats is present in the blood, it is going to play a major role, right? Only because of the allicin compound, that is nothing but the chemical which is present in the garlic only, it is going to play a major role in these conditions. And we can observe that, and we can feel the smell from the garlic, right? That smell is also come from that chemical only which is going to present in this garlic, that is nothing but the allicin. So finally the allicin is a chemical which is going to play a major role in the garlic for performing the many roles and for performing the many functions. Let's see what are the benefits by using this garlic in our daily life. Actually, in our daily life, we use this garlic in our daily eating food purpose or something in other purposes. We are going to use this garlic in our daily life, right? Let's see what are the different benefits are going to be occurred in our body by using this garlic. Actually, this garlic is having some of the certain compounds which are going to play a major role for providing the potent medicinal properties. I already said that the allicin is the chemical that is going to be present in the garlic as a compound. This allicin is having the more potent medicinal properties. Because of the medicinal properties which are going to present in that allicin only, it is going to cure different infections which are going to be suffered by us. So This is one of the major benefit which is playing a major role by the garlic. And this garlic is also having the highly nutritious, means it is having the highly nutrients compounds in it. The manganese is having the 2%. If we consume daily garlic, then we can observe the and we can intake the 2% of the manganese. Vitamin B6 is also present in this garlic, and vitamin C and selenium, fibers, calcium, copper, potassium, phosphorus, iron, and vitamin B, and all these nutrients, all these vitamins, all these organic compounds, inorganic compounds are going to be present in this garlic. And it is having the high nutritional contents, but the cholesterol level is very low in this garlic, and 0.2 grams of proteins are going to be present in this garlic, and 1 gram of the carbohydrates are going to be present in this garlic. So this garlic is a highly nutritional spice, and it also can cure the sickness and the common cold daily. Means if any person is going to be suffer with any sickness is nothing but any fatigue conditions, any body pains, that are nothing but the sickness conditions. If we feel like that, if we take the any one piece of the garlic, then we may get rid from that sickness, and the common cold is also be reduced because of using this garlic also. And if we consume the daily a garlic supplement, then it lead to reduce the cold by about 63% compared to the normal way. So these are the different one of the benefits which are going to play a major role by the garlic. And garlic is also playing a major role for the reduction of the total and the low cholesterol levels. Means if the person is going to be suffer with any high cholesterol levels in his body, then if he take this garlic, then he can reduce the cholesterol levels to the normal way. And garlic is also having the antioxidant properties. Because of the presence of these antioxidant properties, it helps us to prevent from the Alzheimer's disease and also the dementia. These are the two diseases which are playing a major role, which are going to affect our brain. So if the person is going to be suffer with these two diseases, if we take that garlic, he can reduce the effect of those diseases. And the persons who are not having these diseases also, they can also take thereby we can prevent from attacking those diseases. And the garlic may also help you to live longer. If we means it is going to increase our immune system. Because of the increasing of the immune system, we can survive it for a longer time, and it is also going to perform a athletic performance might be improved because of using this garlic. And if we eat the garlic, it helps us to detoxify the heavy metals in our blood. If the heavy metals are going to present in our blood, then if for a longer time, if the metals are going to be present in the blood, then it may convert into the toxic agent. The toxic agent means it is going to cause the infections in our body. Toxifying as a poisonous agent is going to be converted. If we use the garlic for in our daily life, then it can reduce the toxicity in the blood because of the heavy metals. Means how it is going to be reduce the effect means the sulfur compounds which are going to be present in the garlic are going to be protect us against the organ damage by the heavy metals. Because of the heavy metal toxicity, the organs in our body are going to be damaged. So the damage was going to be protected by this garlic which are going to be present in the sulfur compounds which are present in this garlic. And garlic is also going to improve the bone health in our body. And this garlic is also playing a major role in our body in the hardening of the arteries. If the people's age increases, in the increasing of the age only, the arteries are going to lose their ability to stretch and the flex. Means if the person is going to lose the ability in the artery, lose the ability in the arteries, then if he use the garlic supplements daily, then he may get reduce the ability, means reduce the effect what he was suffering from. If we take the garlic for about twice a day for about 24 months, then we can get rid from this problem. Then we can increase the heart ability of the arteries in our body. If the people take the higher dosages of the garlic, it seems to provide the more benefit in the women comparable to the men. So this is one of the major benefit which is going to be provided to our human body by the garlic. And it is also playing a major role in the diabetes also. How it is going to play a major role means the garlic is going to play a major role to reduce the pre-meal blood sugar. Pre-meal is nothing but the fasting blood sugar level, mainly in the diabetes patient, the people who are going to suffer with the diabetes. Then if we take the garlic for at least 3 months a day daily, if they consume the garlic for 3 months continuously, then they may get rid from this problem by reducing the higher blood sugar level in the fasting condition. Then they free relief from the blood sugar. This is one of the major benefit which is going to be caused by the garlic. And it is also going to reduce the high blood pressure in the body. If any person is going to be suffering with the high blood pressure problems, then if they take the garlic through the mouth, means directly if we eat the garlic, the raw garlic through our mouth, then it helps us to reduce the systolic blood pressure. Actually the blood pressure normal value is 120/80, right? The top value, that is nothing but the 120, is known as a systolic blood pressure. That systolic blood pressure is going to be reduced by about 7 to 9 mm per Hg, and the diastolic blood pressure, that is nothing but the 80, 120/80, the down number, that is nothing but the diastolic blood pressure, is going to be reduced by about 4 to 6 mm per Hg in the people. The people who are suffering with the high blood pressure, they may get reduced with these both systolic and the diastolic blood pressure with these normal values. This is one of the major benefit which is going to be caused by this garlic. And this is also going to reduce the effect of affecting the people with the prostate cancer. Actually it is scientifically proven that one of the person who is going to be suffer with the prostate cancer in the China, he is going to eat continuously one of the clove of the garlic every day. So after using the garlic clove using daily, then he seemed to have a 50% lower risk of developing the prostate cancer. So the garlic is also have proven that it is going to be reduce the effect of the prostate cancer in the human body. And it is also going to reduce the problems of the fungal infections that are nothing but the ringworm, which is going to be caused mainly by the Tinea corporis, and the jock itch, which is mainly caused by the Tinea curis, and the athlete's foot, which is mainly caused by the Tinea pedis. These are the three problems, fungal problems, which are mainly caused by the fungus. If we directly apply the garlic paste on the ringworms or the jock itches or the athlete's foot, then if we apply the garlic paste for twice daily for about 1 week, then we can see the effective solution for that ringworms, for that fungal infections. So the garlic is also proven that it is also acting as an antifungal medicinal agent. So these are the different roles are played by the garlic, and it is also going to improve our immune system. In this way, the garlic is going to play a major role in our body, and these are the different benefits of using the garlic in our daily life. Don't neglect to use the garlic. It is very healthy to us, and it is going to improve our immune system. I think you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, share and like. Thank you so much.